All right, so IPC.
So we have 2,200 independent pharmacies
Okay.
that are our owners. So at the end of the year, any residuals go back as a patronage dividend, and they have a board of directors, and they are the ones who direct me and the company as to how we're going to go forward. But what we do as a GPO is we consolidate and aggregate volume for one of our members. So we're all under we're exclusively with McKesson Corporation as our as our wholesaler. So we negotiate on the behalf of the members our contracts for pharmacies, pharmaceuticals coming through McKesson. And then we also do a lot of things on the back end that are non-pharmaceutical related, like greeting cards, gift cards, files, those types of things. And then we also create relationships with the folks such as yourselves, as well as other ancillary things that are required in pharmacy to run the business. The other thing that we also do is we kind of consolidate some of the programs that traditional wholesalers or banners can't do because of channel conflict that they may have within their organization with other classes of trade, such as digital health and other things that we are currently working on in terms of giving our members access to what the chains do, but doing it at the GPO level. So I don't know, Darren, if I got that.
Nailed it. You nailed it.
So group GPO, there are these. I love Troy Trigstad said something. One thing he loves to talk about is when things are bad, you moneyball it, you flip the table over, right? So, this is a time of disruption. You flip everybody's table over. So what kind of stuff are you guys doing to flip the table over?
So there's a couple of things, and maybe what I'll do is I'll kind of discuss before handing over to Darren on the warehouse side. But on the digital side, so one of the things that's happening is a lot of the members in independent pharmacy, whether it's our member or not, are getting bombed by different manufacturers, different vendors that are out there that are trying to solve for a DIR cliff that's going to be hitting here in January, just the economics of pharmacy, provider status, and all that. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to consolidate all that noise into something that's digestible, easy for an independent to understand, because they're busy taking care of patients. So as their partner, or not even our partners, their owned entity, we're consolidating a lot of those vendors and programs into one central place to be able to consolidate it into one ecosphere. So that way it's an easy button, so to speak, for them to be able to go to in order to get access to the things that the chains have. We think that's going to be kind of one of the most important things in the new coming markets that nobody has solved for us yet. And we're actively developing that, and we'll be launching that at the Idea Share, which is McKesson's trade show, in the middle of June. So